Welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope all of you are doing fine, and welcome back to this video where I have just cleaned my scooter when it was coated with the mud all over the areas, from the rims, from the inner areas, and even the grab rails, the plastic part where I was just wiping with the wet cloth and just doing the work. And at the end, as I got the time today in the afternoon, so I got the chance to clean it up. So do watch this video till the end and hope you like it. What I just applied in this video is the basic materials which I just generally use. That is, firstly, like everyone uses the water first. Then for after the water, we have used just normal detergent in a spray form. Then let the spray settle on the vehicle's body where the mud is settled. Then followed by just spray it again and take a toothbrush to detail a small area. For example, the engine, if a scooter is there, so it is in clutch and that area, gearbox area, nuttings area, and the wheels, the nuts, each and every part of that area. And like even you can detail from the start and every nut by using that every small brush, followed by a single wash of water. Then wipe it with a wet cloth and clean wet cloth, and then do the cleaning with a soft cloth which is dry, and remove the water which is in the we can say the flooring of your vehicle, or your, like you can say, a scooter's flooring. Just keep your side stand and let the water go out. That's all what I did in my video itself, what I have explained you. Hope she's a finish now. She's shining like a brand new. If you like this video till the end, I know it is not a conceptualize or any other type of video, but I think I have been recording this video for myself itself, how I wash. And I personally don't like my vehicle dirty. Keeping a vehicle very clean, just like it's new, that's my objective at the end while I'm using it. So till then, see you then. Bye bye in the next video. See you. Bye.